Welcome to Google Certified Student Level 2 Google Calendar Scenario 4. In this scenario, Henry is taking AP Spanish and he has lots of homeworks and lots of due dates. So he knows that each Tuesday in AP Spanish, he has to give an an oral presentation that's at least one page long. So to help him remember, he wants to write and practice his oral presentation. He creates a repeating calendar event to in his calendar, and on the event he sets multiple notifications. He sets one on. He knows that the presentations are due every Tuesday, so he sets one notification for Sunday, so he remembers to actually write it. He sets another one for Monday, the day before, so he can start to memorize it, and sets another notification on the morning of, so he remembers to practice again before giving the presentation in class. So let's go ahead and take a look at how Henry does this. We're going to go to create. Let's go full screen with more options here. We'll call this Spanish oral presentations. All right. So we'll set it for next Tuesday here. So we're gonna go for February 8th, and then we'll say that class takes place at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and make it repeat. So we're gonna go here custom, and we're gonna have it. We're gonna repeat all the way to the end of the school year. So we'll say till, let's see, that's the last Tuesday of the school year. He's going to be giving oral presentations every time. So right here, we're going to go ahead and set up a notification here. By default, it's 10 minutes early, but he doesn't want to be reminded 10 minutes early because he'll be in a different class then. So we're going to close that one down. We're going to click on Add Notification, and we're going to set one here to be, we'll say, 2 days before. So if it takes place on Tuesdays, on Sundays he's going to get reminded to, oh, I need to do my Spanish presentation. I need to write it down. So he wants to do another one to practice here. So he'll send one day before. So he's reminded, okay, when I get this notification, I'm going to practice. And then he wants to do it the morning of. So if it's at 1 p.m., he wants it to be like at about 7 a.m. He wants to practice while he's eating breakfast. So that would be, let's see. So we have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 6 hours early. So we're going to go here to 6. Change this one to hours. This one should be days right here. So we have 2 days before. So he writes it, 1 day before to memorize it, and 6 hours before to continue practicing. So when he clicks save, the event's now going to be saved here in his calendar, and then he's going to be getting those. He will begin to get those reminders. So we can go ahead and take a look here. The first one's on the 8th. There's Spanish oral presentation, and it shows you all the different reminders he's going to get. And if we go to the next Tuesday after that, every Tuesday, starting on the 8th, each time he's going to get those 3 different reminders to help him remember to write it and practice for the presentation.